This dessert is easy to make and perfect for gatherings. Let's start with our coffee. I have hot water, coffee powder. Stir it well until the coffee powder is dissolved. Set it aside. Let's slice our strawberries. Get a big bowl. Add the mascarpone cheese. If you find mascarpone cheese expensive, you can substitute it with cream cheese. The difference between them, mascarpone is richer and sweeter. Its high fat content gives it a smooth, beautiful velvety texture. And cream cheese has a bit tangy flavor and lowering fat. Using cream cheese will still give you a delicious tiramisu, so don't worry. Now let's add the whipping cream. Add the vanilla. Get a hand mixer. Mix it first before turning on your mixer. Set your mixer first to low speed. Just continue mixing it until there are no lumps of cheese. There are no more lumps of cheese. At this stage, I'm going to increase the speed to medium. Turn it off. Add the sugar. Mix it just until the sugar is dissolved and well incorporated. Let's turn off the mixer. Scrape the sides and the bottom of the bowl. Set it aside, and we're ready to assemble our tiramisu trifle. Let's prepare our trifle dish. Instead of making your own ladyfinger biscuits, it's also convenient to buy because it's going to save you lots of time. Arrange the ladyfingers on trifle dish. This is our first layer. Brush the ladyfingers with coffee. Avoid dipping them in the coffee because you might oversoak your biscuits and you're gonna end up having a mushy tiramisu. So we just want to coat outside lightly instead of soaking it. Remember that the biscuits will absorb additional moisture from the cream. We're going to add the second element, the mascarpone cheese mixture. Spread it evenly. For the third element, we're going to use dark chocolate couverture and we're going to shave it using a peeler. For the fourth element, slices of strawberries on top. Let's do the second layer. Let's do the third layer. Chill this in the fridge for 1 hour or in the freezer for 15 minutes. Let's decorate our trifle. Now here's my easy to prepare but classy strawberry chocolate tiramisu trifle.